Hello everyone, I am Sandesh. Now we are going to learn about stream classes. The flow of data between any two devices is called stream, or in other words, the flow of data between any two applications is called stream. Streams in C++. Stream is a class file used for connecting data between two applications in order to communicate our app with external applications. Let us see this picture. Here, iOS is a grandparent class is derived into iStream, OStream. iOStream is a parent class which is a child class of iOS. iOStream is derived into iStream with assign, OStream with assign. iOS, it is a core basic functionality provided by C++. It is developed partially. It provides basic functions. iOS contains iStream, OStream, stream buffer. iStream, it is fully fledged input stream. It contains all input data. OStream, it is fully fledged output stream. It contains all output data. iStream and OStream both are concurrent classes. Stream buffer, it is a pointer which holds the address of another variable. iOStream is derived into iStream with assign, OStream with assign. iStream with assign. These are assigned to input device whenever you take data from input device for only our system. For example, scanf cn. Here input is only given by our own keyboard. OStream with assign. These are assigned to output device. The output comes on our device. For example, cout printf. Here output is seen by our own monitor. Let us see this picture. Here iOS is a grandparent class. It is derived into iStream, OStream. iOStream is a parent class which is a child class of iOS. iOStream is derived into iStream with assign, OStream with assign. When the derived class takes the properties from parent class, iStream and OStream get the properties of iOS, and the grandchild class iOStream is having double properties due to transfer of properties from parent class. To handle such situation, grandparent class iOS is taken as virtual. By keeping grandparent class as virtual, we can get double properties, but the virtual properties are not seen.